Story changed since I first started. They wrote me off, it should have left me broken hearted. Brushed them off and I said screw it. I'll work until they can't ignore it. Used to laugh at me but ask them who they wanted more of. Yeah, lately dreams just came to life. My critics having nightmares, this could happen overnight. Work ethic from my perspective, you can't step into my mind. Wrote 2 songs before the sun came up, please don't say you grind, no. While they got drunk, I studied all the greats. And artists I looked up to saying I tear down the stage. They got beef with me from jealousy, I'm claiming back my state. I am 20 on some shit that you won't get by 28. I turn my passions into actions. Remember days when they said none of this would happen. I kept on moving, kept my head down, I stay focused. I was waiting for them all to come around, but now they finally fuck with me. Yeah, yeah. Now they finally fuck with me. Yeah, yeah. Now they finally fuck with me.
Oh, you loving me, now you want my company. Fuck me, oh, it's fuck you too.
Now they finally fuck with me.
At the DoubleTree, celebrate with bubbly. It's all changing suddenly. Now they finally fuck with me. Everybody wanna live big though. Cars and the covers of the magazines. How you finna whip in the Benzo? You ain't got money for the gasoline. All look good till it hit the fan. I hit the fans online cause my shit's the man. And split the bands and man since they lift the band. I smoke Cubans and scroll through my Instagram. Man, I feel like red eye back. I would kill to take hours back, but you can't dwell on that hourglass. All my homies smoke Sour Patch. I don't smoke weed cause I think too much. I drink too much and girl, you just cling too much. Know it's my fault when I fall behind. Can you pick me up if I sing too much?
I turn my passions into actions. Remember days when they said none of this would happen. I kept on moving, kept my head down, I stay focused. I was waiting for them all to come around, but now they finally fuck with me. Yeah, yeah. Now they finally fuck with me. Yeah, yeah. Now they finally fuck with me.
C-Trox in here with Russo, and this is Burning Out. Yeah, I woke up yesterday, I shot my mama text. I said, my mama, I love you, I'ma get it's my best. She asked me how I'm doing, how I'm dealing with the stress. I said I'm good, but the truth is that my life is a mess. So for now, I've been blaming it on these women. It's crazy how good pussy is blinding when you make decisions. Mix it up with real shitty timing that we're given. It makes it hard to believe I'll be good, but I got a vision. I see myself on big stages, keep rapping. I'm down to do whatever the fuck it takes to make it happen. And I'ma keep calling out the fakes like some fashion. Lately, Trox been moving all over the states, he's getting traction. But that could slip with one wrong move. That's why I tighten up my grip with each and every fucking song I chose. Well, life's a game, I make a lot of moves. I think that I can see a victory coming, I've got a lot to lose.
That fire for me, cause my light is getting dim. The days are getting shorter and the night is moving in. I can't keep this pace forever, so I'll put the work in now. But I need changing,
okay.
cause baby, I'm burning.